My people, na all gist I carry come today. Rivers State don waka comot from the 6-month emergency rule wey dem hold everybody like choke. Abuja don finally talk say make peace reign. Dem don reinstate the governor, lawmakers and local government leaders. The koko for the matter make we enter am. Una remember say na serious katakata begin for Rivers State 6 months back. Fight wey scatter the state assembly, tension wey reach street level. Na im make federal government enter with emergency rule. 6 months don waka o. Dem suspend plenty leaders. The people dey suffer, governance stop and wahala no small. But now wey dem lift the rule, the governor don return chair, lawmakers don return chamber. Abuja dey talk say dem wan give Rivers chance to run im matter again without interference. But my people, question dey o. The bad blood wey dey between the political camps, e don really clear? Abi na just small smoke wey later go turn fire again? Na the people for Rivers State go feel am pass. Development go continue or na fresh gbege wey dey about to see? Me, I just dey reason say peace go dey if dem leaders put Rivers first. But you sef know how Naija politics be. Talk am as e be. Drop your mind for comment. This one na big matter. You believe say Rivers go enjoy peace this time or wahala still dey front?